Hello everyone, my name is Aman Sinha, student of BIT, MBA second year student, and today I come up with the concept of entrepreneurship development. What is entrepreneurship, what are its characteristics, and what are its types? Before starting the video, I would like to thank Dr. Lalit Agarwal, who is our senior professor assistant, to thank because through him I get to know all the concept. So here we go, we come on the our topic. What is entrepreneur? Entrepreneurs are risk taker. They take risk on the basis of the information collected by him, which is calculated risk. They are the decision makers. They like to take own decisions rather than decision implementer. They doesn't care about the profit or losses because it's their own decision and their own choices. They use all the 5 M's, which is man, material, machines, management, or money, to develop the enterprise or give new tech production techniques or methods in the area of the management or the production. And they have a visionary approach. They have a good foresight because they can see impact, or they can impact in the future. They can realize and analyze the situations which gonna be happens from their decision taking, and they are ready to accept the outcomes of it. So, what are their characteristics? First of all, they are focused towards their goal, dedications. They are more focused. They are showing their persistent effort toward it. If they decide they have to perform these tasks, so they are rigid with it. Second, they are interdependent. They like to take their own decisions, as I mentioned, rather than decision implementer. Third one is perseverance. If they take any if they take any work in their own hands, they would like to involve themselves in the work or project or many other things which they take in hand. They look after all the activities. Fourth, they are the leaders. They took a team of selected peoples, and they lead in many several areas rather than giving suggestions or coordinating a team or many things. Fifth is ability to mobilize resources. They know how the resources gonna be used, how the man and material, how many material which is used in the production, how many labors are required. So they manage all the activities, but they are different from the managers because they are the owners of the enterprise. This is the basic difference between the manager and the entrepreneur. Ability to control. They have a strong belief that everything is there in control. Their destiny is regulated and owned by their actions. Their actions speaks louder than their words. Flexibility shown in their characteristics by whenever they take decisions, they analyze all the factors like pest analysis, environmental analysis, and they are reacting according to it. They react according to it, and they implement very fast in their enterprise or the organization. And now I would like to tell you how many types of entrepreneurs. According to functional areas of entrepreneur, there are 4 types of entrepreneurs. First one is innovative entrepreneur, second one is imitative entrepreneur, third one is Fabian entrepreneur, or fourth one is drone entrepreneur. What are the innovative entrepreneurs? Innovative entrepreneurs are those who would like to create and think very new for the organization. Every decision they take which is the very first for the organization. They believe in doing research, they collecting information and implement in the organization, like new production techniques, new production methods, new ideas and techniques for the products and product development, and many other ideas which are very new for the organization. Uh, second innovative no, second imitative entrepreneurs. Imitative entrepreneurs are those who likes to copy or steal the ideas, techniques, innovations of the successful entrepreneurs of innovative entrepreneurs. They steal the ideas. They don't believe in doing research. They reduce the cost of trial and errors in research which are used by the innovative entrepreneurs. So they believe, they implement the ideas of the innovative entrepreneur. Third one is Fabian entrepreneurs. They do not like to change their methods or techniques in the organization or enterprise. They work according to themselves, and they follow all their rules and guidelines. But when they implement all the techniques when the things are necessary, until they can't implement their ideas, uh, which is very, they use ideas when in the case of emergency. Whenever the emergency came, they like to do change rather than they are just following the traditional methods. And the last one is drone enterprises. They do not want to change their organization, and they do not want to uh, take any necessary actions. They can bear losses, they are ready to bear losses rather than doing changes. So hope I will get sorry, I will help you. So this is from my side. Thank you.